Hi guys, I'm back. And thank you for so much love, honestly, because even one view on YouTube means you have spent your 4 5 minutes on my video, means a lot to me, honestly. And I genuinely was not going for YouTube because मुझे लगा कि I have the potential to blow up in Instagram, blow up on Instagram because 15 seconds you can spend on my account. But I never thought that you guys will be investing your 4 minutes to a girl who's just yapping nonsense. So thank you for that. Today I want to talk about okay, I've tasted living in a metro city, I've tasted living in a small town, and I recommend you to go for your personality type. There is no better or worse in both the situation. I'll tell you the pros of living and cons of living in a small town. See, the pros are that everything is very near. You can just take your scooty and just travel anywhere in 15 20 minutes. But now even small cities have a lot of traffic, so but still much better than metro cities. uh, this is one of the pros. Then you have a slow life here. You have a sense of community here. You have a sense of belonging and clean water, clean air, large houses. All of these things are there. So if your priority lies in slow living or homely vibes, then you should definitely go for a smaller town or your hometown, wherever that is. But if you are someone who feels like this is my age where I can hustle, you should definitely move to a metropolitan city. And I know the expenses are too much, the rent and everything, you won't be able to save. But the way the trend is changing, where Gen Zs are not looking to invest in a house or a mortgage, whatever that you call mortgage, like in and like they are not looking for investing in a big asset which could be liability in future, because we don't know after COVID, we don't know what's going to come next. So we are living in the moment right now, which is fair, honestly. So think of it as कल क्या होगा किसी को नहीं पता. थोड़े बहुत पैसे मैं एक्सपीरियंसेस पे खर्च कर देता हूँ. गो मूव आउट, एक्सपीरियंस द वर्ल्ड आउट देयर. It has a lot to offer, and you never know, sometimes your luck could be working way better in a big city. Now personally for me, when I was in Bombay, I've realized that I'm too attached to the idea of community, to the idea of going out every evening with my friends to a coffee shop. I like the fact that things are not very fast paced here. But then when I came back, I realized that is this the age to think all of this? Like, is this my age to think of living a slow life? I've realized that I have no idea where will I go in future, who will I marry, who will I end up with, where will they be living, where will I be living. So I might save up to a certain amount where if I got myself stuck in a situation, I have a few bucks on me that I can spend and get myself out of it. Rest that I earn, I'm okay spending it on my experiences, my good lifestyle. Because honestly, पैसे तो नहीं बच रहे हैं. और ये भी बहुत बड़ा कौन है छोटे शहरों का कि देर आर नो गुड जॉब्स, देर आर नो गुड हाई पेइंग जॉब्स हियर. सो उसकी वजह से बहुत बार वर्क फ्रॉम होम करना पड़ता है, रिमोट जॉब्स देखने पड़ते हैं. एंड as much as we love staying at home in our comfort and doing our work, it's also the fact that you are missing out on a lot of things. I'm not saying it's good or bad. I'm just saying that if you're okay missing out on a lot of things, you should definitely look for work from home, remote job opportunity in your hometown. But if you are somebody who live in constant FOMO, you should definitely move out. Just move out, see if this suits you, see if that hustle is in your genes or not. And if you feel like nahi ho raha hai, come back, take a high paying remote job, save some more, then move out again, spend some time there. Just keep doing that. Or I'm not, I don't come from a generational wealth kind of family. आई एम नॉट समबडीज़ के पापा के पास बिजनेस है, ये वो है, तो मेरा जो पैसा होता है वो मुझे लगता है कि आई शुड बी सेविंग दैट फ्यूचर के लिए. बट मुझे एक चीज़ पता चली लाइफ के बारे में, द मोर यू स्पेंड द मोर मनी यू लर्न. सो डोंट थिंक अबाउट कि पैसे खर्च हो रहे हैं, सेव नहीं कर रही हूँ, कमाऊँगी. जो पैसे उड़ाते हैं उस पास पैसे आते हैं. पैसे का यही एक लॉ मुझे पता है कि मेरे पास अगर कल को जेब में 10,000 भी नहीं है, परसों कुछ ऐसा होगा कि 10 लाख आ जाएंगे, तो पैसे आ जाएंगे, उसकी चिंता मत करो. पर हाँ, स्टूपिड डिसीजन मत लो ऑब्वियसली. And yeah, the cons, I'll tell you the cons of living in a big city. Commute is terrible. Like, मुझे पता है जब बॉम्बे में मुझे लोकल ट्रेन, मैंने बोला भाई मेरे सारे पैसे तुम कैब वाले रखो, मुझे चुपचाप कैब में घर जाना है. पर मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि कैब में मेरी सारी सेविंग्स जा रही है, जो मैं सेव करके कॉफ़ी पी सकती हूँ एवरी डे अपने घर जाके वापस. यू नो वॉट वॉज द रीज़न दैट आई वांटेड टू कम बैक. मुझे लगता है मैं हर दिन 500 रुपये खर्च कर रही हूँ आने जाने में, और मैं हर दिन अगर अपने दोस्तों जाके कॉफ़ी पीऊँ अपने घर पे तो मैं सेव भी कर लूँगी. तो मुझे लगा भाई मुझे वापस जाना है. बट देन जब मैं यहाँ आई तो मुझे लगा कि कब तक की बकचोदी करूँ, कब तक करूँ कि मैं बकचोदी, मतलब कर ली ना बकचोदी इनफ. अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि वापस से कहीं जाऊँ और तगड़े पैसे कमाऊँ, और आई होप मैं इतना कमाऊँ कि मैं उधर जाके उधर भी ये लाइफ अफोर्ड कर सकूँ. सो ऐसा कोई बहुत मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ बड़ा इंसाइट नहीं है, कुछ बहुत बड़ा मैंने रेवलेशन नहीं कर दिया. जस्ट सेइंग दैट it depends person to person. If you are somebody who feels like experiences matters more, 100% move out. If you feel like you're somebody who wants to save, you who wants to live in the comfort, cool, stay at your place, good, look for a good paying job, remote job, and then chill with your friends. That's also okay. So yeah, मतलब मुझे पता चला मेरे बारे में कि मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा खाली टाइम नहीं पसंद है, क्योंकि मैं क्या करूँ, मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा हॉबीज़ नहीं है. कंटेंट मेरी हॉबी बन चुकी है लेटली, वो भी मैंने इसलिए बनाई है कि बस टाइम रहता है बहुत सारा. तो अगर आप, आई सजेस्ट यू वन थिंग, ओके, इफ़ यू आर someone who's working from home in a small town, find a hobby, find something interesting, ताकि आपको लगे कि वर्थ इट है यहाँ रहना. और तो बस यही है, मेरे पास कोई एडवाइस नहीं है, मैं बहुत स्टूपिड लड़की हूँ. बाय.